Hello dear students and aspirants, welcome to SIAS channel. In this video we can learn about National Park of India. After watching this video you can able to describe what is National Park and why do we need national parks? How many national parks are there in India? What is the difference between the national park and wildlife sanctuary? How many national parks are there in each state? Which is the largest national park in India? Which was the first marine national park in India? Which is the only floating national park in the country and where is it located? And which is the oldest national park in India? All these topics you can able to learn in this video, and after the watching this video you can able to describe all these topics. Let's see what is the national park. Dear aspirants, national parks acts as a place for protecting animals by providing natural habitat or natural environment. The national parks are protected under IUCN category 2, and in the national parks there are prohibited any type of development activities or industrial activities, forestry, poaching or hunting the animals or cultivation in the national protected area is completely prohibited, and if anybody try to do these activities or did these activities, it's an offense and punishable thing. We all got to know that national parks are protected area for the natural habitat or natural environment to creating the animals. Now question is arise, why we need to national parks? The national parks are very important for the country and it's a particularly valuable resourceable area or region. There are many multiple objectives for the creating a national park or identifying the national park. It can help in the protection of the ecosystem or specific area or region, because nowadays we are polluting the environment and it is decreasing the environment or national forest and national ecosystem. So we need to protect the environment. Because of this, every states are protecting through the national park or identifying the national park. Let's see how many national parks are there in India at present. As per the National Wildlife Database, there are 104 national parks in India. It covers 43,716 square kilometers, which is 1.33% geographical area of the country. And that national parks can be declared by the central government and state governments. Students, you all heard about it, wildlife sanctuaries. Here question arises, what is the national park and what is the wildlife sanctuaries? The difference is the wildlife sanctuary is an area of nature owned by the government or private. Here both government and private having the natural areas and they are protecting particular species for the purpose of the year or particular duration. Whereas the national parks are reserved area and that land is owned by the state government or else central government. It's not be permitted to the private person. Or in this protected area there are no possibility to industrialization or human exploitation, particularly that national parks are not able to pollute it. If you pollute, that is the offense. Let's see which state how many national parks are owning. Here in India, we are having 28 states and 8 union territories. In this, we have identified 104 national parks throughout the country. In this, in Andaman Nicobar, we have 9 national parks. They are Campbell Bay National Park, Galathea National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Middle Button Highland National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, North Button Island National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Saddle Peak National Park, South Button Island National Park. In the Andaman Nicobar, it is a union territory. Here we have 9 national parks. In upcoming videos, we can discuss about all these national parks, totally 104 national parks in detail. Here I am giving only how many national parks are particular state owning. Next, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has owning 3 national parks. They are Papikonda National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park and Sri Venkateshwara National Park. The next is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh owning 2 national parks. One is Mauling National Park and Namdapha National Park. Next state is Assam. Assam owning 7 national parks. For the first one is Dibru Saikova National Park. Second one is Dihing Patkai National Park. Third one is Raimona National Park. Next, Kaziranga National Park. Fifth, Manas National Park. Sixth, Nameri National Park. Seventh, Orang National Park. The next state is Bihar. Bihar owning only one national park, that is Valmiki National Park. Next state is Chandigarh. The Chhattisgarh state owning 3 national parks. One is Guru Ghasidas National Park, second one Indravati National Park and third one is Kanger Ghati National Park. Next state is Goa. Goa owning only one national park, that is Molem National Park. The Gujarat state owning 4 national parks. First one is Black Buck National Park and second one is Gir Forest National Park. Third one is Marine National Park, which is called Gulf of Kutch. The fourth one is Vansada National Park. The next, Haryana state owning 2 national parks. First one Kaleshwar National Park and Sultanpur National Park. Next state is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh owning 5 national parks. First one is Great Himalayan National Park. Second one Indar Kila National Park. Third one Kira Ganga National Park. Fourth, Pin Valley National Park. Fifth, Simbalabhara National Park. The next state is Jammu Kashmir. It's not a state, it's a union territory. It owning 3 national parks. First one is Dakchingam National Park. Second one is Kistwar National Park. Third one is Salim Ali National Park. The next state is Jharkhand. Jharkhand owning only one national park, that is Betla National Park. Next state is Karnataka. Karnataka owning 5 national parks, that is Hamshi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Bannerghatta National Park, Kudremukh National Park and Nagaravole National Park. The next is Kerala. Kerala state having 6 national park. There is Anamudi Sola National Park, Iravaikulam National Park, Mathiketan Shola National Park, Pambadam Naushola National Park, Periyar National Park and Silent Valley National Park. The next state is Ladakh. It's a union territory. It has only one national park, that is Hemis National Park. Next state is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh having 11 national park. This is the only state having more and high national park in India. That first one is Bandhavgarh National Park. Second one Omkareshwar National Park. Third one Kanha National Park. Fourth one Kuno National Park. Fifth Madhav National Park. Sixth Mandala Plant Fossils National Park. Seventh Panna National Park. Eighth one is Pench National Park. Ninth one is Sanjay National Park. 10th one is Satpura National Park. 11th one is Van Vihar National Park. These are the Madhya Pradesh owning the national parks. The next state is Maharashtra. Maharashtra owning 5 national parks. That is Chandoli National Park. Second one is Gugamal National Park. Third one is Navegaon National Park. Fourth Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and fifth one is Tadoba National Park. Next Manipur. Manipur owning 2 national parks. They are Kaibul Lamjo National Park. Second one is Sirohi National Park. The next state is Meghalaya. Meghalaya owning Balapakram National Park and Nokrek National Park. Next Mizoram. Mizoram owning 2 national parks. First one is Moorlane National Park. Second one is Pavangupphai Blue Mountain National Park. Next Nagaland. Nagaland owning only 1 national park, that is Thangki National Park. Odisha having 2 national parks. First one is Baitarnika National Park. Second one is Simplipal National Park. Next Rajasthan. Rajasthan owning 5 national parks. First one is Desert National Park. Second one is Kyoladio National Park. Third one is Mukundra Hills National Park. Fourth Ranthambore National Park. Fifth one is Sarsika Tiger Reserve. The next state is Sikkim. Sikkim owning only 1 national park, that is Kanchenjunga National Park. Next Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu owning 5 national parks, that is Gindi National Park. Second one is Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. Third one is Indira Gandhi Sanctuary and National Park. Fourth one is Mudumalai National Park. Fifth one is Mukruti National Park. Next is Telangana State. Telangana State owning 3 national parks. One is Kasu Bharamanda Reddy National Park. Second one is Mahavir Arena National Park. Third one is Murgavani National Park. Next state is Tripura. Tripura owning only 2 national parks. One is Bison or Rajbari National Park. Second one is Clouded Leopard National Park. Next state is Uttar Pradesh, which is very largest state in India. It has only 1 national park, that is Dudhwa National Park. Next Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand owning 6 national parks. First one is Gangotri National Park. Second one is Govind Pasu Vihar National Park. Third one is Jim Corbett National Park. Fourth one is Nanda Devi National Park. Fifth one is Rajaji National Park. Sixth one is Valley of Flowers National Park. Next West Bengal. West Bengal owning 6 national parks, that is Buksa Tiger Reserve. Second one is Gorumara National Park. Third one is Jaldapara National Park. Fourth one is Neora Valley National Park. Fifth one is Singalila National Park. Sixth one is Sundarbans National Park. These all the states having the national parks in their own states. Upcoming videos we can discuss every particular state's national parks and their details. Now let's see which is the largest national park in India. The largest national park in India is Hemis National Park. It is located in Ladakh, which is now newly created union territory, and this is called largest national park in India. It's famous for its snow leopards and it believed highest density of the world. Next, we can know about which is the marine national park in India. First marine national park in India, Gulf of Kutch, which is the first marine sanctuary in India, have coral reefs and mollusks, dolphins, tortoise and different forms of seabirds within in bounds. The first marine national park is located Gulf of Kutch and it's created in 1982. Next, let's see which is floating national park in the country and where it is located. The Kaibal Lamcho National Park is a national park which is Bishnupur district of state of Manipur. It is the only one floating national park around the world and in India. Let's see which is the national park is very oldest and first created national park, that is Jim Corbett National Park. It is the oldest national park in India and it's located in Uttarakhand. It was created or identified or established in 1936 before independence. In the British rule itself, the Corbett Tiger Reserve or Corbett National Park was the identified as a national park. So friends or students, this all the things we are learned about national park and how many national parks are there in India and etc. I hope this video you liked it. If you like this video, please share, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.